Hello students, welcome to P.N.AMERSEY e-learning classes. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.7 of chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. So let's start. Question number 1 of exercise 2.7. First part of question number 1 is 0.4 divided by 2. So let's solve part 1 of question number 1, exercise 2.7, and that is 0.4 divided by 2. Students, to solve this sum, first we have to remove decimal from 0.4. To remove decimal from 0.4, we will divide it by 10 because in 0.4 decimal is after one digit. So 0.4 upon 10 divided by 2 upon 1. Now we will solve this division. This division will be converted into multiplication and reciprocal of 2 upon 1 will be taken. Reciprocal of 2 upon 1 is 1 upon 2. Now 4 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 2. Now according to the formula, numerator is multiplied by numerator and denominator is multiplied by denominator. So 4 into 1 upon 10 into 2. Now I will cancel this 2 and 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Now our answer is 2 upon 10. Now again we will convert this 2 upon 10 into decimal form. To convert this fraction 2 upon 10 into decimal form, we will put decimal after one digit because in 10 there is only one zero. So decimal will come after one digit. So our answer will be 0.2. Second part of question number 1, exercise 2.7 is 0.35 divided by 5. So students, let's solve second part of question number 1, exercise 2.7, and that is 0.35 divided by 5. To solve this sum, first we have to remove this decimal from 0.35. To remove this decimal from 0.35, we will divide it by 100 because in 0.35 decimal is after 2 digits, that is after 5 and 3. So we will just put 100 under the fraction line and this decimal is removed. So 35 upon 100 divided by 5 upon 1. Again student, this division is converted into multiplication and reciprocal of 5 upon 1 is taken to solve this sum. So 35 upon 100 multiplied by 1 upon 5 because reciprocal of 5 upon 1 is 1 upon 5. Now numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. So 35 into 1 upon 100 into 5. Now we will cancel this 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. Now our question will be 7 upon 100. Now 100 has 2 zeros. So this decimal will move 2 digits towards the right side of this 7. This 7 and then we put 0 in front of this 7 and our answer will be 0.07. Third part of question number 1, exercise 2.7 is 2.48 divided by 4. So students, let's solve part 3rd of question number 1, exercise 2.7. And that is 2.48 divided by 4. Students, first we have to remove this decimal from 2.48. To remove decimal from 2.48, we will divide it by 100. So 2.48 divided by 100 because in 2.48 decimal is after 2 digits, that is 8 and 4. So this decimal will be removed by putting 100 below the fraction line and then divided by 4 upon 1. Now this division will be converted into multiplication and reciprocal of 4 upon 1 will be taken. The reciprocal of 4 upon 1 is 1 upon 4. Now our answer will become 248 upon 100 multiplied by 1 upon 4. Now according to the formula, 248 into 1 upon 100 into 4 because numerator into numerator upon denominator into denominator. So 248 into 1 upon 100 into 4. Now I will cancel this 4 and 248 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 62s are 248. Now our answer will become 62 upon 100. Now this 62 upon 100 is converted into decimal fraction by putting decimal after 2 digit, because in 100 there are 2 zeros. So decimal will come after 2 digit, that is equal to 0.62. That is the answer of third part of question number 1, exercise 2.7. Fourth part of question number 1, exercise 2.7 is 65.4 divided by 6. Now we will solve part 4th of question number 1, exercise 6.7, that is 65.4 divided by 6. In 65.4 divided by 6, we will first remove the decimal from 65.4. To remove the decimal from 65.4, we will just put 10 as a denominator, because in 65.4 decimal is after 1 digit, that is after 4. So 65.4 upon 10. And then we will solve this division by converting it into multiplication, and reciprocal of 6 upon 1 will be taken. So 654 upon 10 multiplied by 1 upon 6, because reciprocal of 6 upon 1 is 1 upon 6. Now according to the formula, 654 into 1 upon 10 into 6. So 654 into 1 upon 10 into 6. Now I will cancel this 6 and 654 by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 218s are 654. Now 6 1s are 6 and 6 109 times 218. Now our answer is 109 upon 10. This 109 upon 10 will be converted into decimal fraction by putting decimal after 1 digit, because in 10 there is only 1 0. So decimal will come after 1 digit, that is after 10.9. So our answer is 10.9. Students, part 5, part 6, part 7 and part 8. You have to solve yourself as a homework of question number 1, exercise 2.7. Now we will solve question number 2 of exercise 2.7. Question number 2 of exercise 2.7 is find. First part is 4.8 divided by 10. Students, let's solve first part of question number 2, exercise 2.7, and that is 4.8 divided by 10. In 4.8, decimal is after 1 digit, that is after 8, and in 10 there is only 1 0. So this decimal will move 1 digit towards the left. So our answer will be 0.48. Now second part of question number 2 is 52.5 divided by 10. Again in 52.5, decimal is after 1 digit, that is after 5. And in 10 there is only 1 0. So this decimal will move 1 digit towards the left, that is it will come after 2. So our answer will be 5.25. Now third part of question number 2 is 0.7 divided by 10. Again in 0.7, decimal is after 1 digit, that is after 7. And in 10 there is only 1 0. So this decimal will move 1 digit towards the left. So our answer will be 0.07. Now fourth part of question number 2 is 33.1 divided by 10. In 33.1, decimal is after 1 digit, that is after 1, and in 10 there is only 1 0. So this decimal will move 1 digit towards the left, that is it will come after this 3. So our answer will be 3.31. Now students, part 5, part 6 and part 7 of question number 2, exercise 2.7, that you have to do it yourself as a homework. Now let's solve question number 3, part 1, and that is 2.7 divided by 100. So let's solve part 1 of question number 3, that is 2.7 divided by 100. Students, in 2.7, decimal is after 1 digit, that is after 7. And in 100 there are 2 zeros. So this decimal will move 2 digit towards the left, because in 100 there are 2 zeros. So our answer will be 0.027. Second part of question number 3 is 0.3 divided by 100. Again, in 0.3, decimal is after one digit, that is after 3. And in 100, there are 2 zeros. So this decimal will move 2 digits towards the left of 0. So our answer will be 0.003. Third part of question number 3 is 0.78 divided by 100. Now, in 0.78, decimal is after 2 digits, that is 8 and 7. Now, 100 has 2 zeros. So, this decimal will move 2 digits towards the left of 0. So, our answer will be 0.0078. Now, fourth part of question number 3 is 432.6 divided by 100. In 432.6, decimal is after one digit, that is after 6. And in 100, there are 2 zeros. So this decimal will move 2 digits towards the left and it will come here. So our answer will be 4.326. Students, part 5 and part 6 of question number 3 that you have to do it yourself as a homework. So students, this is the end of today's first part of the video. Next questions, question number 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 2.7 will be uploaded in our next video.